Good morning, students. Today's topic is biodiversity at global, national, and the local level. So, biodiversity एक मेगा लेवल पे मतलब एक as a whole in the whole world we are going to discuss about. इससे पहले लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि what is biodiversity, what are its type, what is the importance of biodiversity to balance our nature, and why it is important to conserve the biodiversity. So there are some global initiatives for biodiversity, for conserving the biodiversity. The initiative for biodiversity assessment was taken long back in 1991 with the UNEP, that is the United Nations Environment Program. Biodiversity Country Studies Project, consisting of bilateral and global environment facility, funded studies in developing countries, implemented in cooperation with the donor countries and UNDP. The preparation of it dates back to 1987. 19 studies have been completed and several more are in the process of completion. The approach from gene to the ecosystem was initiated as a research agenda for biodiversity, जिसमें कि आपका स्कोप IUBS, यूनेस्को, पेरिस, ये सब हैं जो कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी को डिफरेंट इकोसिस्टम में प्रिजर्व करने के लिए वर्क कर रहे हैं, रिसर्च वर्क कर रहे हैं. The agreed text of the Convention of Biodiversity was adopted by 101 government in Nairobi in May 1992, signed by 159 government and the European Union at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, UNCED, held at Rio de Janeiro in June 1992. At present, 174 government is party to the convention. Apart from this global biodiversity strategy, global biodiversity status of the Earth's living resource, caring for the Earth, a strategy for sustainable living, global marine biological diversity, a strategy for building conservation into decision making, Norway UNEP expert conference on biodiversity, and from genes to ecosystem, a research agenda for biodiversity are the milestone on the International Biodiversity Initiative. तो ये डिफरेंट बायोडाइवर्सिटी इनिशिएटिव्स हैं जो कि इंटरनेशनल या ग्लोबल लेवल पर लिए गए हैं ताकि बायोडाइवर्सिटी को अच्छे से कंजर्व कर सकते हैं, उन्हें डेवलप कर सकें और मेंटेन कर सकें. मैनी मोर नेशंस आर engaged in developing their own national biodiversity strategies. Global Biodiversity Assessment UNEP 1995 estimates the total number of animal and plant species to be between 13 to 14 millions. It further records that so far only 1.75 million species have been described and studied. Ecosystem diversity has not been ever even the reasonably explored as yet. Okay, so बहुत सारी तो जो diversities हैं अभी तक explore ही नहीं हुई हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं उनके बारे में. We just see that like this is also a species, but they are not explored so much. उन पे ज़्यादा research ज़्यादा study हुई नहीं है. Hence, there seems to be wide gap of knowledge at global, regional, and local level to study about the biodiversity. Till recent past, biodiversity conservation was thought to be limited to save the genes, species, and habitats, but the implementation, revolutionary policies, and more awareness has led to the emergence of a framework based upon saving biodiversity, studying, and most importantly, using its sustainability. So the reforms in the field of forestry, agriculture, technology, international trade agreement, and watershed management is required. Biodiversity is directly or indirectly related to masses, researchers, government agencies, non-government agencies, and the private sectors at all level of development. Since we depend upon the biodiversity, our various activities can be linked to its usage and conservation. Therefore, the trade, economics, population, land tenure, intellectual property right, and resource consumption, and also the waste are all related to the biodiversity conservation. क्योंकि जितने भी resources हमको मिल रहे हैं वो हमारे nature से ही मिल रहे हैं, और nature is all about the biodiversity of different species of flora and fauna. तो उनके conservation पर ही हमारा सभी चीजें निर्भर हैं, चाहे वो ट्रेड हो, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉपुलेशन हो, लैंड टेन्योर, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट, रिसोर्स कंजम्पशन हो या वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट हो. Hence, its sustainable use can be prompted through the information, ethics, knowledge, and the awareness. Now, there are various levels of actions. Levels of action में आपका सबसे पहले है कि what is the need for biodiversity conservation. As we have already discussed कि सारी चीजें जितने resources हैं they come from our biodiversity only, which is all about the नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. तो उसके लिए उसकी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट, तो ये अलग अलग लेवल पर इसका जो है कंजर्वेशन इम्पोर्टेंट है. फर्स्ट इज द ग्लोबल एनवायरनमेंट फैसिलिटी to limit the loss of biodiversity globally. 4 major steps has been realized important at national, regional, and local level. So the first initiative is the Global Environment Facility. World Bank, UNDP, that is the United Nations Development Program, UNEP, इन सब ने एक GEF यानी कि ग्लोबल एनवायरनमेंट फैसिलिटी डेवलप करी थी 1900 में फॉर द 3 years प्लॉट बेसिस. The GEF is expected to commit $400 million for the biodiversity conservation issue. International Biodiversity Strategy Program, ISBP, World Resources Institute, WRI, World Conservation Union, UNEP together with more than 40 governmental and non-governmental organizations have prepared the framework to drastically reduce the loss of biodiversity. Okay, this would serve mankind on a more sustainable basis. Then comes the Convention on Biological Diversity, COBD. तो कन्वेंशन जो है इसके अंडर में it comes under the aegis of the UNEP, that is the United Nations Environment Program. More than 100 nations gathered during the Earth Summit at Brazil. This was accomplished to work out a legal framework for governing international financial support for the biodiversity conservation. Secondly, the identification of international conservation priorities. Thirdly, the technological transfer for conservation and use of biodiversity. Agenda 21 developed through a series of international governmental preparatory meetings with input from a variety of non-government processes, including the biodiversity strategy program. That is the Agenda 21 में है ये सारे इनको कंजर्व करने के लिए जितने भी गवर्नमेंटल और नॉन गवर्नमेंटल इंटरगवर्नमेंटल मीटिंग्स हैं वो सब इसमें हुई हैं. Okay, and they have provided a number of plan of actions for a number of issues, including the biodiversity. So that's it about today's lecture, students. Thank you very much.